In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to display the percentage of a pie chart in Tableau, a skill that will enhance your data visualization capabilities and allow you to present information in a clear and impressive manner. We're going to walk through this process step by step, so let's dive right in. First, make sure you have Tableau launched on your desktop or laptop. It's essential to start with your Tableau software open and ready, as all the steps we'll discuss are implemented right within the tool. Once you're in Tableau, the next thing you'll want to do is open up the worksheet containing the data you wish to visualize. This could be a worksheet you previously created or a new one with the data set ready to go. Take a moment to make sure that your data is visible and accessible, as this will be crucial in the upcoming steps. Next, turn your attention to the Marks card, which is a powerful feature within Tableau used to control the appearance and design of your visualizations. Here, you're going to change the mark type from automatic to pie. This critical step changes your visualization from whatever it was previously, be it a bar graph, line chart, or something else, into a pie chart, which is our target for this instruction. Now, it's time to add some color to your chart. Drag your categorical dimension, such as category or region, to the color mark within the Marks card. By doing this, the pie chart will be divided into slices, each shade representing a member of your dimension. This visual differentiation is not only aesthetically pleasing, but also functional, making it easier to differentiate between the various segments of your data. Now, let's add some depth to your illustration by dragging your quantitative measure, for instance, sales or profit, onto the angle mark. As a result, each slice in your pie will adjust in size, with the proportion of each angle reflecting the value of its measure. This step ties your numerical data to the visual representation, ensuring your chart carries meaningful insights. To further accentuate your pie chart, set your view to Entire View. You'll find this option in the toolbar, and selecting it will ensure your pie chart is larger and utilizes the available space efficiently, making it more viewer-friendly. Next, to add clarity with numbers, drag the same measure, such as sales, to the label shelf on the Marks card. Doing so will overlay the absolute values directly onto the pie chart, further enriching the data display for anyone examining your chart. Finally, right-click on the measure pill you've just placed on the label shelf. From the context menu, select Quick Table Calculation. This is where you'll choose Percent of Total from the submenu. With this final touch, your pie chart now displays not just the absolute figures, but the portions they represent as percentages, delivering a clearer, more insightful visualization to effectively communicate your data story. And there you have it, a pie chart that not only showcases the values, but also conveys the percentage significance of each component, crafted with ease in Tableau. Thanks for following along, and I hope you find this skill as valuable as I do.